No matter how deep the darkness is, even a small lamp's light can extinguish it. If a person has a passion to do something, then it doesn't matter what difficulties he started his life with. An orphan child whose parents left him with his 3-day-old sister in Delhi's most criminal slum at the age of just 2 years. Today, he is brightening the lives of millions of children like him. It is possible that you got nothing in inheritance, but if you have patience, then you can do anything. This is the belief of Devendra Kumar, who never let the flame of his self-confidence extinguish even in the midst of his struggles. To fulfill his dreams, Devendra fought with hunger and took the oath of fulfilling it by doing child labor. At the age at which children play with balloons, at that innocent age, he had to complete his studies by selling balloons. When the boys who were intoxicated beat him, then instead of running away from those boys, he decided to take those boys away from intoxication. At the age of just 13, he started his social life as a community police volunteer with the Delhi police. This experience took him on a new path. He removed the youths who were intoxicated by thousands of drugs and showed them a new way of living with employment. The struggle to save his younger sister from child marriage and dowry changed the direction of his life. Inspired by this struggle, he founded the Ladli Foundation at the age of 26.
Ladli Foundation.
लाडली फाउंडेशन
लाडली फाउंडेशन
लाडली फाउंडेशन
लाडली फाउंडेशन
लाडली फाउंडेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री देवेंद्र गुप्ता।
आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई मेरी तरफ से।
Where most people dream of economic stability at the age of 32, Devendra got rid of his economic delusion and announced his financial retirement. He dedicated himself to the society as a full-time social worker. Today, under his leadership, the Ladli Foundation is working with more than 150,000 youth volunteers in countries like India, America, and Africa as an active social organization, which has become an Indian international organization with a special advisory post in the United Nations. For the major changes brought on the ground by his social innovation, Devendra was awarded twice by the Indian government, and his work was also praised by 4 Indian presidents. Under Devendra's leadership, more than 30 lakh people have been directly benefited by the Ladli Foundation. More than 5 lakh children have been connected to digital education. More than 10 lakh women have been given health benefits. More than 8 lakh children have been freed from malnutrition. And thousands of daughters have been able to settle in their homes through social marriage. These are not just numbers. This is the knock-on change that cannot be ignored. Today, the Ladli Foundation is not just an organization, but has become a movement. It has become the hope of those lakhs of women and children who were once deprived of their rights. But this is just the beginning. Devendra Kumar's dream is that every girl should get education, health, and respect. And the Ladli Foundation should become the largest women empowerment platform in India.